Hello and welcome to this video. Real quick, a brand new software is going to be coming out August 2nd, the launch date. You want to set your calendars for this. It's called WebinarKit. And in this specific video, I'll be doing the pricing and OTOs for it. I want to get this information out to you guys faster so you guys can kind of consume it and start thinking of this product as it's coming out without being overwhelmed with different emails coming out the day of the launch. Hopefully this will help you get more informed before the product actually hits. Now, what I can say is that the WebinarKit is a software that has already been around, and they have spent over $1 million in advertising to this actual WebinarKit software in order to test it to make sure that it works really well for professionals. And so this isn't your your everyday product launch that's here today, gone in 3 to 5 days, and then you never hear about from the company again. It's not like that at all. These are some reputable people. The product vendors on this product are Ryan Phillips and Stefan Ciancio. They both are very successful internet marketers, and they make a full-time online income. And they have their own courses and different ways that they teach for people to become successful. So they know their stuff, so you can trust that this is going to be a good software. You're going to want to make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'll have at least 2 or 3 more videos specifically about WebinarKit coming out over the next 2 to 3 days. So make sure to subscribe, okay? Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to zoom in on this real quick. We're going to look at this. This is the funnel. The front end is $67 for WebinarKit. So this isn't your $17 software, your $27 software, or your $37 software, or not even your $47 software. This is going to be a real software kit. WebinarKit is a powerful, modern, automated webinar platform that lets you gain all the advantages of live webinars without ever needing to actually go live. I've always wanted one of these. I'll be picking this product up and adding it to my funnel and my professional marketing in my different businesses and my different brands that I run. I've always wondered how, because I've seen it done correctly a few times, where I've gone to a webinar and I knew that it was like an automated type of webinar, when you can sign up and there's a new class or a new webinar starting every 30 minutes, or it seems to be starting 5 minutes after you kind of signed up. And what it does is that it builds that intrigue and builds that sense of urgency that you want to jump on the call. You know that it's free to watch the webinar. You also get the email address from the potential prospect and so forth, right? And so it's a more powerful process in order to actually make a prospect convert to an actual customer. So really good stuff. WebinarKit will allow your audience to easily create automated webinars so that they can put their businesses on autopilot. So that's why you guys need this tool, right? Plus, with WebinarKit's one-time pricing, they'll never need to pay monthly or yearly fees, making this such an amazing value, right? WebinarKit comes with beautiful registration pages, conversion boosting offers, powerful scheduling options, live chat, email question boxes, advanced analytics, email notifications, conversion tracking, and much more. So even just picking up the front end and not worrying about any of the other OTOs would be a steal of a deal you're looking at. So just keep in mind, it's a $67 deal. Now you can go on AppSumo every single day and spend $75 on a product as well. You can spend, they usually start around $59 and go up from there to $100 just for tier 1 software, right? And this is a lifetime deal. This is a really good deal. So you guys are going to want to jump in on at least the front end. I'm going to strongly recommend on this product. The OTO one, you're going to get it's $97. So that's a pretty expensive OTO one. It's a WebinarKit Pro Edition. This is the perfect upgrade to WebinarKit. Your audience will get amazing benefits like built-in video hosting, say goodbye to third-party video platforms, polls and handouts to boost engagement, additional high-converting registration pages, one-click replay pages, and editable registration forms. And then plus, just like the front end, WebinarKit Pro doesn't have any monthly. So really probably the video hosting is really what you're paying for. Some more registration pages, that's great, but the not having to go to third party and then embed the code, and it's going to actually save you time is money, right? So it's going to save you a bunch of time, and then also you don't want to be using YouTube, something like that, where it's going to show all the other recommended videos after. It just does not look professional or polished. And so this is going to be, depending on if you have the budget, but this is going to be definitely worth the upgrade. OTO2 is $47 WebinarKit Chat Simulator. And then Chat Simulator, your audience will be able to skyrocket audience satisfaction and engagement like never before. Your audience will be able to easily set up automated chat messages to simulate a live chat experience. So that's cool and all if you want like an automated bot to talk to them and stuff like that. Not really my thing. I haven't really crossed over and gotten really into that. I don't think that this one is necessary, but it's there. OTO3 WebinarKit Agency, $197, and this is going to allow you to be able to turn your WebinarKit accounts into a marketing agency that gets high paying monthly clients. So if you actually want to go out and build these funnels for customers and turn this into a business in itself, right? Building out these automated webinars and such, then for $197 you can pick that OTO3 up. And then finally OTO4 is $297 per year. So this is not an LT, a lifetime deal. It's a WebinarKit Live. So if you want to be able to go live with your webinars or live with your audiences, then you're going to need to pick up this one. So those are all the OTOs. There's just 4 OTOs. Definitely the one that is stands out the most to me is going to be OTO1. Strongly recommend this one and strongly recommend the front end price at $67. So you would be at 67 plus 97. So you're 164 all in on those 2 products and you'd be set. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, I just want to encourage you to subscribe so you can get more information about WebinarKit. I will be coming up with that, like I said, 2 to 3 more videos. The next video coming out will be tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be a demo. I'm getting my hands on the software, so I'll be doing a demo. Subscribe so you can get that video out and you can actually see the software. And then my official review will come out the morning of the launch on August 2nd. So you want to stick around for that. And then also I'll make a video about the bonuses that I'll add for you if you pick this up with my link on launch day. So thank you guys again. Stay tuned for the next video.